those of you that are lovers of Femi Adebayo, you can say whatever you like. It's okay. I can't crucify you based on your opinion. Wala Now, you Femi Adebayo called me this morning, telling me Muslim society, they have been attacking you, that probably you are promoting transgender, whatever. That police people have invited you for questioning, that you are promoting gay, whatever. And you requested, you demanded.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, Dayo Amusa ó ti jáde fún Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀, ó jáde fún gidi gan, ó para fún, ó tún bú gbogbo àwọn followers Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa wàhálà láti ṣe lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Dayo Amusa bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀.
That Dayo, you said, and I quote, Dayo ó need láti ṣe another video fún damage control. You need to come out and tell people that no, you were not it was that my video was not to banter you or come up hot on you, that it was just for you, that you were not aware of, you know, the whole thing. They just gave you mic to announce the winner, which you did. You asked me to come out and do that video on your behalf so that we can clear the air. And after you said that, I told you that, Femi, I don't have any problem coming out to do a video to that effect. And then I said, but if I should do that video, She Eniola will not feel bad about it. That, you know, I'm coming up to say, no, it wasn't Femi's fault, that blah, 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 that it was the Eniola and the organizer or whatever that, you know, gave the mic and like, okay, Femi should announce. Eniola will not pick offense in it. And then you said, and I quote again, hold on, Jacking Eniola. You put a call through to Eniola and added Eniola to the call. The three of us were on three-way call addressing this issue. And I told Eniola, you yourself, you repeated what you said. People are coming after you. And of course, your intention was to support your colleague. Your intention was to help your colleague. Your intention was to this. But now the whole thing has been taken all the way around just because I made the video by condemning the fact that you announced best female dressed to a cross-dresser, which I still find disrespectful and unacceptable. Now, you now said we need to do this damage control. I didn't bring it up. You brought it up. And I asked, and I said, Eniola, should I go ahead and make that video? Eniola was a little bit skeptical, which I can understand. She has a project at hand. She's trying to create a buzz for her projects.